morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Happy Wednesday, I'm Hannah.
Next week, we're going to be taking our finals.
Remember to ask your teachers for help at any time.
Yes, if you're playing any sports, remember to keep your grades up. If not, you'll be dropped from the team.
Now let's get into the announcements for today.
First, winter formal royalty nominations are now open. Please nominate students for this year's winter formal king, queen, prince, and princess. Scan the QR code on the screen now to nominate your friends.
Second, today, bring your own milk and get some free cookies from ASB during lunch.
But remember, the supplies are limited.
Third, this week only, there is a flash sale for formal tickets.
Tickets are $50 with ASB and $55 without.
Next week, tickets will go up in price.
You must be debt-free and have your ID ready to purchase a ticket.
If you are bringing a non-Highland guest, you must get a permission slip for them from the activities office and take to the dean's office for approval.
Before buying the ticket, all purchasers must agree to the Highland High School dance policy. Now we are going with Savannah.
Take it away.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah and this is Savannah on the Go. Today we're going to be harassing some band kids and asking them about their winter concert. Let's go! So we're in the band room today, and essentially we're gonna be asking some of these lads and lasses about this concert that I heard about. So when is the concert?
The concert is this Thursday.
Fantastic. There's band things in here that I run into. And where will this concert be?
Bakersfield College.
Thank you. What time is this concert?
From 6:30 to 8:30.
Thank you. And what should I be wearing to this concert?
Well, we are having our Christmas concert, so it's gonna be all festive. Everyone who is participating in it is wearing ugly sweaters and like festive stuff, so we might as well join in on the fun too.
So like holiday attire?
Yes.
All right, thank you. And when will what's the price of this holiday concert?
It's free.
It's free, guys. It's free to the public. Go watch it.
Thank you for that segment.
Now we have the weather report.
For the next few days for you guys to listen up. Wednesday, we will have a high of 65 and a low of 39.
Thursday we'll have a high of 68 and a low of 41.
Friday, we will have a high of 70 and a low of 43.
Remember to check your weather app for any new updates.
Be sure you are ready for this Friday's rally and wear your best ugly sweater.
We are going to be on different school schedule for Friday. Ask your teachers for the details.
Freshmen, the Cocoa Cookies and Creme event is happening next Tuesday, December 19th from 4 to 5:30 p.m. at the gym.
And that's it for today.
And remember to
Plaid up.